Sanbonani, Sanbonani, welcome back to isiZulu with the Queen. Namhlanje, I want us to look at some of the things that can make you hate comprehensions and also make you not be able to even write your own questions. Let's not even talk about comprehending comprehensions or having to understand and participate in class discussions. These things are very important. And the earlier you start learning them, the better it becomes when you go to high school. And these things are called amagama ayimbuzo, question words. Amagama ayimbuzo, question words. So our goal for today is basically to understand question word in isiZulu. We will do the basic question words and then to also learn simple questions using some of the question words. Those are our goals for today. Let's get straight to it. Ubani. Ubani can mean who and it can mean what depending on the context. But for this one, the first one, ubani, we are saying, what is your name? Ubani igama lakho. Ubani igama lakho. What is your name? Ubani igama likamama wakho. What is your mother's name? Ubani igama likamama wakho. What is your mother's name? Next question word. Kuphi or P? Kuphi or P? There are times where you'll find kuphi, there are times where you'll find P. So you need to know that they both mean where. Where. Okay. So if I say uhlala kuphi, where do you live or where do you stay? Uhlala kuphi. Ufunda kuphi? Where do you learn or where do you go to school? Ufunda kuphi? That is where. Next one. Nini. Nini. Uzohamba nini, meaning when. Uzohamba nini, friend, because wow, I want to sleep. Uzohamba nini. Ufunda nini, because hey, you're always on TikTok. Ufunda nini. When do you study? Okay, next question word. Kungani. Why? You get these the most when it gets to grade 7, going into high school. Why? Kungani kubalulekile ukuya esikoleni? Why is it important going to school? Kungani? Kungani uthanda uTikTok? Why do you love TikTok? Kungani? Okay, next one. Njani or kanjani. Njani or kanjani, meaning how. If I come to you, I'm like, yo, I am just impressed with your marks. Ufunda kanjani? Just please share your method, because wow. And then the person answers by saying, no, you know what? I've got the queen who is walking this journey with me. Aha. Ufunda kanjani? How do you study? Or a question can be, ulidlala kanjani ibhola? How do you play soccer? How do you play? Ulidlala kanjani ibhola? Next, with what? Ngani. Uzohamba ngani. Uzohamba ngani. So it basically means what will you use or with what will you use to travel? Yes, uzohamba ngani. What will you use to travel or with what will you use to travel? Uphuza ngani. What are you using to drink, or what are you drinking with? Uphuza ngani? Ngani, with what? With whom? Nobani. Mama, ukhuluma nobani? With whom are you talking? Ukhuluma nobani? You are talking with whom? Ukhuluma nobani? Udlala nobani? You are playing with whom, or with whom are you playing? Udlala nobani? Those are the question words. I am more than happy to help you on how to put these questions words together and how to even structure a question. If you want me to help you with that, please do let me know by sending an email to nokupiwa@isizulututoring.com. We can plan a lesson together at a very affordable price, and then I can help you how to improve, because if you do not know your question words, you won't understand comprehensions, you won't understand discussions, you will just be confused when you also have to write and present, because we use question words most of the time. They are like the foundations. Okay, especially senior prep going into high school. These are very important, and the earlier you start getting used to them, the better. Okay, ngiyabonga. I will see you next time.